Has this ever happened to you? You open Instagram or TikTok in public, or even like YouTube and a short video in YouTube, and suddenly a video starts blasting at full volume. Yeah, it is awkward, especially when you're somewhere quiet like a class or meeting. But don't worry, I've got a simple iPhone shortcut that automatically turns your iPhone volume all the way down whenever you open those apps. Let's set it up in just a few minutes. All right, here's how to set it up step by step. Open the Shortcuts app. If you don't see it, you can find it quickly by swiping down on your home screen and typing Shortcuts. Tap on Automation at the bottom, then tap New Automation. Select the app. Now choose the app that tends to embarrass you the most: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever you want. Enable Run Immediately. This is important. Turn on Run Immediately so you don't have to confirm it every time you open the app. Tap Create New Shortcut. Search for Set Volume. When it appears, tap it and then set the volume to 0%. Then tap Done. That's it. Your shortcut is ready. Now let's test it. I'll open Instagram, and just like that, the volume instantly drops to 0. No more surprise sounds. You can even create separate automations for different apps. Maybe you want Instagram and TikTok to go to 0, but YouTube Music to stay the same. That's totally possible. Or if you prefer, you can set it to lower the volume to, say, 20% instead of 0, just to keep a little sound on. It's all up to you. And that's what I love about shortcuts: full control and automation. And that's how you can make your iPhone automatically turn down the volume whenever you open certain apps. It's simple, smart, and honestly, it might save you from a few embarrassing moments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks like this one. And let me know in the comments, which app do you want this shortcut to work with first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.